Have you tried submitting your resume and did not receive any callbacks? Making a CV can be hard if you don't know the right format and if the job description doesn't match with your contents. If you are a job seeker, a professional coach, application writer, or hiring manager, this software is for you. Let me show you an incredible platform that will reveal how applicant tracking systems rank resumes so that job searchers could better understand the process. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. IdealResume is an online tool for optimizing resumes and CV. Check your job application skills against the description. To raise your score, include them in your CV. With IdealResume, get superior job recommendations compared to a conventional board. You can also obtain employment suggestions based on the best abilities and phrases that are already in your CV. The majority of resumes submitted never even make it to the recruiting manager. This is due to the fact that many businesses utilize applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to compile and rank the applications they receive. Consider these ranks to be the resume equivalent of Google search results. For considerable web traffic, you want to appear on Google's first page of results. Similar to this, for a CV to be seen, it must be towards the top of the hiring manager's ATS dashboard. You can rank higher and impress these applicant screening robots with the aid of IdealResume. With only 3 simple steps from IdealResume, you can quickly optimize your application to get an interview. First, copy and paste the text of your resume. Second, include the job description you wish to apply for. And finally, obtain immediate results and polish your CV to get the appointment you are waiting for. This awesome deal starts at $49. You can save as much as $450. If you like what you hear about IdealResume, check out the link below for more details. Take a look at our current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Click the like button and subscribe to receive our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.